bananas, you say peppers. And today, you guys, we are doing something we've not done in quite a while. It is a mini-verse. Make it mini-verse. You guys, I honestly could not believe, and I kind of thought it was a prank, a few, or maybe it was just last week, I got an email from Miniverse, and they were saying, can we send you a PR package? And I was like, oh my God, yes. I kind of thought maybe they were like mad at me, like I used to get Miniverse PR, and then I started telling you guys about all the pinhole hacks, and then I thought maybe they were mad at me, and now they just like randomly reached out to me again. I'm so excited. But like literally right now, it is the eve of Easter, and I thought I would open this one now with you guys before I show y'all like the rest of the stuff that came in the PR package. Except for this, you guys, they did send a mini apron for Happy Sun Farms and a mini hat, like a straw hat. And I don't know if you guys know this about me, but I collect flat Erics. I'm like obsessed with flat Erics. And so I promptly took my littlest Eric, almost one of my littlest Erics, you guys. I think I have like 80 flat Erics or something. But I took one of the littlest ones, and he's wearing parts of the PR that they gave me. And they also gave me this flashlight. It's like literally an actual, look at this. Y'all, it's so strong. I'm scared to look at it. I charged it up. It's called a dark beam, but this is like a super sophisticated UV light. So we're gonna try and make this today, and we're gonna try and make it using the UV light they provided. Now, I've never actually seen it in stores anywhere, but I think Miniverse started selling a UV lamp to cure the items. I think in the instructions it said this will cure any UV in like 30 seconds or something. But do you guys remember the whole thing when they like reformulated the gel? So who knows, honestly. But I was gonna see if I could look up a pinhole hack for these. I know that there's one ultra rare one, which I think is these like plants. There's only, I think, 4 options for these plants. Bunny cake. I guess these are like milkshake things. Deviled egg. So I think we're gonna get the milkshake things, because I forgot there's not really like a pinhole secret to these things. It's like whatever they show you on the side of the wrapper, it's either gonna be that thing or the secret. Now, which one has the secret for this one? I do not know. There was like a whole thing for the Willy Wonka one we did where I was trying to find the Wonka bars, and that was like fun and exciting, but yeah, I don't know. Is this gonna be the ultra secret, super rare, or the milkshakes? We are about to find out. But you guys, it's been a long time since I've made these. Now, I did get some of the ones that you could make like jelly beans or chocolate frogs or something. I bought those quite a while ago. I've been hanging on to them because I'm like trying to decide, like, do I do it up close ASMR style for a YouTube short, or do I just do a video with you guys? I'm like torn a lot of times. Like sometimes I want to just like super dive into shorts, because honestly I do like making shorts a lot, but then I feel like I'd miss like just rambling and chatting with you guys. I thought it was gonna burst open. Okay, so it's not the secret, it is the milkshake things. So these are just like what you see is what you get. And I kind of like that. Let me know, do y'all like the mystery? Do y'all like trying to do the pinhole hacks and stuff like that? Or would you rather just be able to make the food that you specifically want to make? All right, let's see what's in here. This is our first ingredient, and it says keep cool. And this is, what is it, milk? Strawberry milkshake. Super cute. Then we have this, which is gonna be our utensils. And, oh, that's so cute. Okay, so this is the topper, which, oh my God, you guys, I'm kind of remembering now, wasn't the Willy Wonka one like spring of last year? I kind of remember now, like looking for those on the Easter aisle, but once again, that was like so long on the Easter aisle. Yeah, because that's the little bunny topper that came in there. And also we have tweezers, which I literally always just use. I call these like crafting tweezers. I always use these tweezers because I like these kind of bend a little bit easily. They're cute, but for me, they're not like super functional. And then we have these, which are super cute. They are 2 striped mini straws. Adorable. Okay, then we have this, which says jump into spring. And that's like so cute. I'm gonna like save that for my junk journal and not rip it all the way. Oh. So this has 2 items in it. These are little whipped creams, and I forgot that they're actually, oh my gosh, this is so cute. So you get 2 whipped creams in there. One is like blue sprinkles, one is pink sprinkles, super cute. And then this says Sunny Day Candy Co. 3 pieces lollipops. It includes 2 bunnies and 1 egg, and this is like honestly so cute. I feel like I need scissors or something because oh, here's scissors right here. It's kind of like I don't want to cut this package all the way open because once again, you guys know I'm addicted to junk journaling. Oh my gosh. These are super cute, and I swear when I just like cut the package open, it's kind of, it smells like a little scented. Am I just making that up, you guys? Power of suggestion. So yeah, look at that. Super cute. Blue egg and 2 little yellow bunnies. Those look like super realistic. Adorable. Okay, then we have this, which is wrapped like this, and I think this is going to be a serving tray or a plate of some kind. Oh yeah, oh, this is super cute. It's like floral gingham tray that you can set on the table. I kind of liked how they started putting like decorative trim on these pieces. I feel like when we first got them, they were like just plain white tables, but I feel like as they go on and on and on, they're getting much more detailed. And then this is the last item in here, Sunny Day Party Co. flower glasses. You get 2 of these. Love the little box. You guys, I'm always torn with like, do I actually want to put the ingredients in here and like make them, or do I just want to like keep them miniatures? So I think that's what I'm gonna do today is I'm gonna keep like 2 of the lollipops and 1 whipped cream like untouched, because I feel like a lot of times like in my shorts that I was making where I was using like minis and stuff, I feel like if I don't actually make the craft and I just keep all the mini like glasses and lollipops and props and stuff, like I can in fact use them more than when I actually make the craft. I feel like I started really getting into collecting Miniverse like just for the little mini novel items, because this is so cute, you guys. I have a small collection of like the uranium glass. You guys know, like the glass that glows really cool under black light. And this kind of reminds me of that, like especially the base. It almost has that like glowing aesthetic to it. So yeah, I'm only gonna make 1 of these. Now, I'm very excited to see if this is gonna open up as easy. After they reformulated the, like, can we even call it resin anymore? I don't know. You must be able to call it resin because like you still cure it with like UV light, UV lamp, so it must be resin. But yeah, that being said, I feel like I need sunglasses. Oh my God, wait, okay. I literally just used these in a video. Maybe I can just like put these on. Although, you know what? I feel like when you get like sunglasses from AliExpress or something, like, do they actually offer UV protection? Probably not, but everything does seem more dim in here now. Okay, anyway, as I was saying, I feel like when they reformulated the resin, it's so much easier to now open these things. Like that used to be kind of the craziest part about Miniverse to me, is like it was so hard to open. Oh yeah, look, see the metal part just like twisted off, if that makes any sense. So we are just literally going to be able to pour the strawberry milkshake in here and we're going to be able to cook it. It's going to be super simple, and I'm excited about that. I feel like my first Miniverse ever was like milkshake. So let's go ahead. I was gonna set up a second camera angle if it was gonna be like a really intense one. Like I think the deviled eggs or something have multiple ingredients, but we're just pouring one thing into another thing. Do I want the whipped cream on top? Maybe. I'm gonna put a bunny in there. Oh, you know what? This is gonna be the tricky part. Okay, I'm just like literally gonna do that, and I'm gonna hit it with the lamp down here, you guys. I feel like that's what I didn't think about, is like, how am I gonna position this without the second camera angle, you guys? God. Because I kind of want, I feel like that's how I messed up my first mini brand ever, if you guys remember that. I didn't, oh my God, you guys, this lamp, this is the real deal. Oh my goodness. Okay, yeah, look, I can even like do this now. Shield your eyes. With this lamp, it starts to harden like literally instantly. I'm so shocked. Cause I like, yeah, instantly, you guys, cause I was trying to like position the bunny a little differently, and like instantly I could barely lift the bunny pop out of there to reposition it, like as soon as I turned this on. Oh my God, yeah, but it looks so cool. Like, oh my gosh. Okay, I'm gonna freeze for a second because I'm trying to decide, does it need the whipped cream? I feel like this almost looks less like a milkshake and more like a bunny lemonade, which I kind of like better, if I'm being honest. Kind of don't know. Well, first of all, I kind of screwed up because I feel like you'd have to put the whipped cream on first. I kind of didn't like the whipped cream anyway, you guys. And I feel like that's the fun thing. That's when I like super got into collecting Miniverse, was honestly to get the extra ingredients, because I started seeing people on Instagram and I really loved it. They were buying Miniverse and then they weren't really following the exact tutorials. They were getting like more imaginative with it, and they were making magnets, like they would spill the alphabet soup and stuff like that. So I feel like if ever I have a DIY that I'm not like 100% wanting to follow exactly, it's so fun to keep the extra miniature ingredients and then just make something else with it. So who's to say I wouldn't want whipped cream for some other purpose? But yeah, I kind of liked the more like lemonade kind of look of this. And y'all, this one is like super duper easy. It is so cute, literally. And this is like just a fun little craft. Like, I forget how much the holiday ones were retailing for. I think sometimes these were less expensive because they have less ingredients in it, I think, than some of the other kits. But I don't know. I could be wrong. I feel like I haven't bought Miniverse in several months, but these are so cute. I am always excited when they do like the holiday ones. Like, y'all know how much I love Halloween. They did Halloween ones, I think 2 years in a row. They did like Beetlejuice last Halloween, and then the Halloween before that we made like a Halloween cake, I think, and it was super cute. But I feel like they are getting so many more kits and they're getting so much more detailed. Like when I told you guys about the jelly beans or the chocolate frogs I think I got, like that fascinated me so much because it was like the Willy Wonka chocolate bar. It comes with a mold, so it's kind of like a little craft that you can like infinitely make jelly beans and frogs out of. And that's the other thing, I've seen a lot of people like keeping the resin from other kits that they may not use all the way, and then you can like make clear kind of chocolate bars or something. I feel like that would be like fun and interesting. But yes, this is super cute. I honestly feel like I'm so grateful for the UV light as well. It cures so fast, and I feel like now I'm more equipped than ever to make like the spilling alphabet soup and stuff, like, because this you can like literally set something and like freeze it immediately. I kind of wonder if the lamp that they sell, like the little flashlight they sell, like, is it as intense as this? This is like kind of a game changer for these. So dark beam, honestly, if you're into these little Miniverse, you may want to get one of these. I don't know. Anyway, you guys, a huge thank you to Miniverse. This is not sponsored, but I'm so grateful for the PR. Like, it was so fun. It looked like a television. It was very cute. But yeah, let me know. I feel like if these were inexpensive enough, like how fun would this be to have as a craft to do like as a family on Easter? Like, I don't know if y'all grew up like that, but I always loved, like, I had an aunt, and my mom and we would like craft like every holiday. We would do like stamping or like something random. So I feel like this kind of reminds me of that. It's like manageable enough. It's not like it takes a lot of supplies. So let me know, do you also have a crafting family? Do do craft on the holidays. But yeah, thank you guys so much for hanging out today and for watching. If you're not already and you'd like to be, hit the button down below, subscribe, become a member of the Banana Pepper Squad today, and I will see you guys again very, very soon. But until I do, stay happy, stay healthy, stay sassy, stay banana peppery. I love you guys so much, and I'll be back again very, very soon. Bye!